Well, folks, here we are. This is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and the last of these episodes that have to do with this. Cup noodles, pumpkin spice flavor. My impressions of it is it's really good. I've run it through all sorts of different paces. I've made it and chilled it. I made a burrito out of it. I made a good loaf of bread out of it. I made another loaf of bread out of it. And now I want to make something that's not dessert related out of it. I've had multiple people mention, and myself, it felt like it was curry without the curry. And so I was thinking, why not make a goreng with it? It isn't really a soupy noodle. It's more of a dry noodle, like a fried noodle. So that's the plan. I'm gonna do it up like that. So let's get to it. People's reactions to this stuff, though. Wow, I had no idea how just not into trying something new people are. It's daunting. A lot of, I don't know about that. We'll need this, and we'll need this. We'll need one of these. We need some of this. It's done. Lovely photos taken. I added an egg, some chabe spicy chili sauce, spring onions, some fried garlic, and a little bit of curry. I'm thinking maybe that's gonna give this that flavor that I'm thinking a lot of people kind of feel like it was kind of like but didn't get. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Well, that's different. Interesting. This definitely turned into a curry. A very sweet curry, but a curry nonetheless. It's not bad. Well, this is where I leave you to your own devices of trying to make your own weird things out of this stuff. Granted, on its own, the way it tells you to make it is probably the best way to have it. It's been fun. It's been fun experimenting with this stuff. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.